Hire van or courtesy van? What's right for you? We know it's stressful being stuck without your van, whether you're in an accident or it's stolen. To help you stay on the road, we have two options: a courtesy van or a hire van. But what's the difference, and what do you get as part of your insurance? We offer a courtesy van as part of our comprehensive van insurance. You'll get a van to use while yours is being repaired at an Admiral approved garage. This is usually a small car-derived van. You won't get this benefit if your van is stolen and can't be recovered, or is written off because of an accident that was your fault. Check your policy book for the full list of exclusions. But will a small car-derived van suit your lifestyle and needs? For example, if you use your van for work and carrying around tools or goods. If you need more, you can upgrade your insurance to include hire vehicle cover. Hire vehicle cover includes a similar sized van to the one you use, up to 7 seats and 3.5 tonnes. It's delivered to your door so you can drive right away, and £15 worth of fuel is on us. Find out more about our hire vehicle cover on our website. How long do I get the van for? If your van's written off, you'll get a hire van for up to 28 days. If your van needs repairs but is drivable, you'll get a hire van for the time it's in the garage. If your van needs repairs and isn't drivable, you'll get a hire van straight away and keep it until the repairs are done. If you don't want the van, we'll give you a one-time payment of £600 to spend on other travel costs. It's up to you. Stick with the standard courtesy van you get as part of your comprehensive cover, or pay to upgrade to a similar size hire van. Remember, a courtesy van is included in your comprehensive cover and means you'll get a small car-derived van to use while your repairs are being done. To get a hire van, you'll need to upgrade to hire vehicle cover. That means you'll get a similar size van to yours for up to 28 days, or until your repairs are done. It's available if your van is stolen and can't be recovered, and if your van is written off. Whatever you choose, we're here to help. Any questions? Find out more on our website